In this video, I'll walk you through how to submit an assignment on Schoology. So I'm already on our classroom's website, the one with the picture of the bear on it, 4th grade Robinson Room 16. I'm going to go to the work that was assigned last week. So last week was March 30 through April 10th. I'm going to click on that folder. And then I'm just going to go to one of the assignments from last week. So I'm going to click on the Wednesday, April 1st folder. And it looks like there's a spelling assignment here. I'll click on that one. Okay, so on this page, there's a video explaining the directions for the assignment. So after I've listened to the video telling me exactly what I'm gonna need to do, I'm gonna scroll down and move on to the next video. This video, it looks like I'm gonna have to listen and say the spelling words. After I've listened to the spelling words and said them out loud, then it's gonna be time to do the jobs from the first video. The first video is saying to do the spelling words 3 times each. So here's a picture of the words again to refer to. Now I'm ready to submit my assignment. So the assignment was 3 times each for spelling. I'm just going to go right here and click in the box where my picture is. And then I'm going to type the words 3 times each. So the first word was dentist. I'm going to type it again. I'm going to type it again. And then click the enter or return key, and then it would be time to move on to the next word, which is final. I'm going to type that one 3 times, and then move on to the next word, and so on and so forth. Once I'm finished with my assignment, all I have to do is click the post button, and then my assignment completed is going to show up with everyone else's assignments in this discussion post. So that's how you submit work on Schoology.